Well, check it out, guys. This is what happens when you don't have a sump pump in a house you're building. There's no electricity, so there's really no way to have a sump pump unless you plugged it in the temporary pole. But came down here and found about 4 inches of water in the basement, which is not a big deal. We've had lots of rain, but this is what happens. You gotta put these on. Just through a simple pump here and gonna get it taken care of. Pump it all outside. Day in the life of a home builder. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, hit the subscribe button, post a comment, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, House, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Share it with a friend, or visit our website at www.comeriocorp.com. Or if you want the real thing, check out our available homes page on our website for homes you can actually tour.